everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. And before we start, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Diwali. I hope you all are having a great time during this festive season. So today here I'm come up with a quick DIY recipe as promised, and this is especially I'm come up with this recipe because of this festive season. Today what we are going to make here is a peel off face mask. Now if at all you are in a hurry to go out somewhere for any occasion and you don't have the time to do a facial or a cleanup and you want to have a clear skin, this peel off mask is will give you an instant glow on your skin. And it's a tried and tested DIY that I have I will be showing you all today. Now for this recipe here, it's like you can use just the things that you have at home. You don't need to buy anything from out. Here to make this peel off mask, I have taken orange peel powder, because orange peel powder is very effective to give you that instant glow on your skin. And we need a packet of gelatin. Now this gelatin is available anywhere at any supermarket. You just need to get the plain gelatin, not the flavored one. And we need some water. These are the only three ingredients that we need here today to make this peel off mask. And friends, before we start, I would also like to tell you that all my DIYs are tried and tested, because I have seen and I know a lot of these DIYs for the skin which are not very effective when you try it. So I try to show you all only the ones which I find it really effective, because I don't want you all to waste your time and money. So please do try this if you have the time, and we'll just start the making of it. Now the proportion here is, if you take half glass of water, you need to take this whole packet of gelatin. Now I have taken less than half glass of water because I just want to use it for one time. So I don't want to take a very large quantity. So according to that, I will just add half a packet of gelatin. Now you have to make sure that you're taking warm water when you're mixing the gelatin in the water. Okay, so here I have taken the warm water and I'm just putting it in a bowl. Now we take warm water here so that the mixing is easy, otherwise it is very difficult for the gelatin to mix with the water if it is not warm. I'm just taking half a packet of gelatin here and we'll start mixing this. It takes a little bit of a time for this mixing process, but friends, believe me, please do try this out if you want that instant glow on your skin. In fact, this even helps to remove all the dead skin cells on your face, and you will see the effect as you're peeling it off. You will see how clear your skin gets. And if at all you try this and you get the result, please do comment below and let me know that you have tried it. Also friends, on the 13th and 14th of November, I would be having my soap making workshop. I have already got a lot of inquiries, but I'll be taking a very small batch. So anyone interested can WhatsApp me, send me a message on the WhatsApp number that's in the description box. If anyone is interested in the soap making, cold process soap making workshop, and that will be for $4.99. It's a 2-day workshop. So please don't miss that, because you all will get to learn a lot in the workshop which I am not able to cover up on the videos. Okay, so now here, if you can see this consistency, it's a nice thick jelly like consistency as we are mixing it. Now in this, as I said, I am taking orange peel powder. But if you don't have orange peel powder, if you have charcoal powder, if you have any other clays, if you have neem powder, aloe vera powder, you can add that as well in this mask. There is no harm. You don't need to only add this powder. Now once our entire gelatin is dissolved, the consistency and the liquid will look like this, and now I'm going to add the orange peel powder. So you can take about one whole teaspoon of orange peel powder for this, and you need to give it a good mix. It has to become like a nice thick paste. And also, if at all you have any essential oil, like if you have orange essential oil, lemon essential oil, any essential oil, you can just add 2-3 drops of it. That will just give you a little more benefit on your skin. Now this is how the consistency will be after mixing. It will look a little sticky because it has to be like that since it's a peel off mask. So you need to peel it off. It has to be a little sticky. And I will also apply this in show you all. You just need to apply this on your skin. See, this is all ready now. You just need to apply this on your skin. Leave it for 15 minutes. Not more than 15 minutes. Please don't over dry this because it will be very difficult and painful while you're peeling it off if you keep it for a very long time. You just need to keep it for 15 minutes and then just peel it off. Now for applying, you just need to take a little bit of this peel and just apply it on your skin like this. You can just spread it like this, a thin layer on the skin, and I will just show you after about 10 minutes how we need to peel this off. How will it look when I'm peeling this off. So friends, it's now 15 minutes that I have kept this to dry, and if you can see, this is already started to peel off from here, from the edges. So it just gets peeled off like this. You have to just go to the edges and start peeling this off like a normal peel off mask that you remove after applying. So slowly you can just peel off the entire portion. Okay, so I have peeled off the entire mask, the peel off mask that I had put, and now if you can see, the skin feels so clear once it's done, and the same effect you will get it on your face as well once you finish peeling this off. And friends, please do try this and see how it works. As I said, you can use any other powders that you have available at home, like a charcoal powder. If you have kaolin clay, you can put that. You can use neem powder, aloe vera powder, any of your choice, whichever suits your skin the best. And friends, if you like my videos, if you learning something out of it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. That really motivates me to come up with much more new videos and share them with you all. Thank you so much. Bye.